greatest surgeons from all over the world come and demonstrate what they do so well and teach not only you, but themselves.
Tells the truth about what we do, the truth in the operating room.
This conference is one of the best conferences on the shoulder.
You have challenging cases. That means that you have to give the maximum to the audience.
We see the most up-to-date, most cutting-edge surgeries being done by world experts in shoulder surgery, and it's done live.
This is the sixth meeting I've been able to participate in, and each one has gotten better than the last.
The techniques get better and better every year.
It's a must in shoulder surgery.
I found it very, very informative Congress.
It's a pleasure here. Also the city is amazing and the people also.
It's an honor to be here, and it's an honor also to see how Laurent pulled everybody to the high level.
It's like a big family, always very nice and friendly, and they invite us. Everything is perfectly organized and very warm.
Laurent, c'est magnifique. Please continue. It's the best thing in the world. Thank you so much.